Alright guys, just a real quick video hollering out to my refining friends. I don't do any refining myself. I like to get this stuff ready for you guys. You're the professional. I respect that. My question is, when you pull these off, is that silver? Are these like, silver contacts on here? I mean, is that something I should be saving? I've been saving it from the beginning, but somebody else had mentioned it might be stainless steel. But I wanted to find out from the experts. Another thing, Original Feats, you had mentioned one time that if it looked like foil, that more than likely was silver. Now, I pulled this, believe it or not, look at this. Now, how many of you recognize what that is? Well, boys and girls younger than 30, this is how we used to make phone calls. This thing's pretty nice. I know there's a lot of silver contacts in here, which is why I was asking, because Original Feats had mentioned that this would be silver. Okay, so now on the back of a speaker I find this. And now normally when I find little covers and stuff like this, I automatically think aluminum, right? But it's not aluminum. I mean, well, I guess it could be, but it weighs more. It weighs more than what aluminum normally does. So I was just wondering, could this also be silver? Would they use that on a speaker for a phone? This was the, now this, almost positive this is aluminum. It was surrounding the speaker. These were on the back of it. This piece here is zinc. This, more than likely, will be brass or zinc. I gotta take a file to it. But, tell me what you guys think. Needed to know if that's silver dots, or should I just throw those away? The plastic piece, that is. And then, do you guys know how to get the silver off of there? Anyways, you guys have a great evening. Just out here messing around in the garage. Day off, you know how it is. Talk to you guys later. Mike's out.